Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. Now we are going to start new series for RHCSA certification. In this series we will discuss actual questions which have been already asked in RHCSA certification. And I hope you are already aware what is RHCSA. This is basically certificate of Red Hat Linux and it basically stands for Red Hat Certified System Administrator. And also please allow me to inform you that Linux is the base of DevOps and cloud computing. So it is also one of the very beneficial technology for you. This is lecture first for this series and there will be multiple lectures for this series definitely in the same playlist. You can refer those as well. So let's start with our first question of this series. Configure the host name, IP address, gateway and DNS. Host name is already provided. It will be provided in your exam as well. IP address will also be provided. Gateway is also provided. DNS will also be provided to you. Only thing is that you have to configure it on your machine. That will be in your exam. It is the solution and it is the complete question. So you have to navigate to this file /etc/sysconfig/network-script. There you have to type ls to list all the files available there, and there will be one file with the name ifcfg-h0 already existing, right? So you have to edit that file using this command, that is vi, and there you have to put in this manner. IP address is already provided to you, right? 172.24.40.40. You have to mention the same here. Only thing is that you have to mention in this manner. IP addr is equal to IP address and it should be in uppercase. Then you have to mention prefix is equal to 24. It indicates the subnet because subnet is 24. So you have to use that. Then gateway, it is also already provided. It is directly simple word gateway, but it also should be in uppercase. Then DNS1, then the IP of DNS, that's it. You have to mention like this only, DNS1. If you want, let me show you how you will perform these commands. I have launched one EC2 instance in the AWS and I am using that. So let's follow the same commands that have been discussed /ctc/sysconfig/network-scripts. Let's just verify if it is correct command or not. Yeah, it is exactly same, right? So yeah, we are in that file. Now ls. So you can see ifcfg-h0 is there. So let's try to edit this file ifcfg-h0. You can see here basically there are different details because it is provided by AWS. These details are there, but it is as per your requirement. In the same manner like which are mentioned over here, you can mention and you can see all are in uppercase and following that is equal to pattern. We are not using DNS here because we are using boot proto as DHCP, right? So you just need to mention these four details over there. I hope you are getting my point. And for editing this file, you just need to type I. You are now in the insert mode, and at the end, you can just go in this manner and you can type like prefix is equal to 24. And then to save it, type escape :wq. I do not want to save this file. So type q and enter. Add exclamation to override. So if you get this warning, don't worry, just add the exclamation mark. You will be able to exit this file definitely. You are able to, right? So this is the thing that you need to do. And after that, one more thing is there. Host name, we are supposed to set the host name, right? Host name should be this one. We have done this part like IP address, gateway, DNS here, but we haven't done this part. So for that, we have to run the command hostnamectl space set hostname station.domain.40.example.com. Whatever the name will be, it will be there in the question. You have to remember the command hostnamectl space set hostname. If you want, I can run this command as well in front of you. Hostname, okay, it's hostnamectl, right? So take care of that. Set hostname. Let me make it here for visibility. And after that, I'm just using the simple host name. Let it be station only. It has worked, right? So host name, let's verify it's station. So this is the simple command that you can use. Hostnamectl set hostname. So this was our first question and you can easily understand, and if you want you can take your time to understand and watch the video again. Now add 3 users, Harry, Natasha, Tom. The requirements are that the additional group of 2 users, Harry and Natasha, is the admin, and the user Tom login shell should be non-interactive. It should be non-interactive. So again, here is the solution. Group add admin. So we are first creating the admin group with this command. Then user add Harry-G admin. If we want to create the user Harry, we can simply add by using this command, user add Harry. But as we want the secondary group to be admin, so we are using uppercase G and then admin. Then user add Natasha -G admin in the same manner. And as we want Tom to be created with non-interactive shell, so we are using this command, user add -s bin no login. Let me just show you. I will run all these commands in front of you only. Now, first of all, if there is any group with this name, let's verify that. So, for verifying that, we can run command cat/etc/group grep-i admin. No, there is no group. If there would have been any group, it would have got filtered with this command because all the groups are already mentioned in /etc/group. So, now let's do one thing. Let's create this group with the command that I have already shown you, group add admin. Now let's again verify if it is there. I'm just clicking up arrow so that I can see the previous command, and I can see this admin group is there now, right? So in the similar manner, now let's verify if Harry is there, right? You can verify by 2 manners. All the users are there in the passwd file. So let's get passwd file and check Harry. It is not there. ID Harry also we can use. It is no there. It is simply saying Harry, no such user. So let's create Harry user as well. User add Harry -G. -G I am using why? Because I want to be the secondary group as admin. So enter. Now let's verify if ID Harry is there. Yeah, it is there, and the primary group is Harry and the secondary group is admin, right? A primary group is Harry, secondary group is admin. And let me again verify with passwd as well. Yeah, it is there. So one task is done, but still we have to create few other users as well. So let's start with the same command, user add. We are going to create Natasha. But please make sure that you are using exactly correct spelling, because there will be automated script to check your result. So if that exactly same name matches there, then it will be calculated as successful. Otherwise, it will be the wrong answer. So this is also done. Now user add -s/sbin/no login Tom. Yeah, it has also been created. So how we can verify if this is no login? Let's try. This account is currently not available. But let's see if Tom is there. ID Tom. Yeah, it is there. Why we are getting that? Let me try to run sudo su Harry, because we have also created that. We are able to switch to Harry, but we are not able to switch to Tom because we have created it as no login user. It doesn't have any login shell. So this was all in this question as well. So we have done these tasks: group add admin to create admin group, then user add Harry to create Harry user to create admin as secondary group. Now we have created Natasha user with having admin as secondary group, and then Tom with no login shell. Now question number 3, create a catalog under /home named admins. Its respective group is requested to be the admin group. The group users could read and write, while the other users should not be allowed to access it. The files created by users from the same group should also be the admin group. Now let's go to the solution of this cd/home, because it is suggesting us to create a catalog named admins under /home. So we have to first navigate to /home, then mkdir admins, because we have to create admins. So we are creating with this command, because this is the command to create directory. Now ch-on:\admins admins, as it want admin to be the group of this. Now chmod 770 admins, because others are not allowed, and for others this is the permission, third digit 0, and first one is for owner, basically owner user, and second one is for owner group, and group is having the permission read and write, and then chmod g plus s admin. We are creating GUID here because the file should be of admin group, and by creating the GUID, whatever file you create under admins will be owned by the same group, that is admin. That is the group of the directory itself. Now let's follow all these commands practically on the terminal. So first of all we have to do cd/home, right? Now I am under /home, you can verify by pwd command, right? Now we have to make the directory mkdir admins. It is created. Now we have to make the owner of it admin group, that we have already created in the previous question, right? Now let's verify. You can see admin is the owner of this admins. You can also verify this by running ls-ltr. All the files under this, you can see admins is there. This is admins, and this is the owner of it, right? So now we have to chmod to change the permission 770. I hope you are already familiar with permissions. Basically there are three permissions: read, write, execute. Read is 4, write is 2, and execute is 1. And if we do the sum of these three, 4 to 1, it will be 7. If you are allowing 7, it will give all permissions: read, write, execute. But if it is 0, there will be no permission. And for others we have taken here 0. So it will not have any permissions. So now chmod 770 and on admins, right? Now again you can verify if this is the permission on admins with this command again. You can see it is read, write, execute 7, it is 1 7, and then read, write, execute, and this is 0 as it is here. Earlier what it was? Earlier it was here, it was read, write, execute, and read, execute, read, execute. It was 755 earlier. And why it was 755? Basically it is the default permission whenever we create any directory. So okay, this task is also done. Now the last task, that is chmod g plus s admins. This is also done. Now if you create any file under admins, let us first navigate to admins, right? So I am root user. If I create any file, it should be owned by root, but let's test with test1. Now ls-ltr. You can see I have created file test1 under admins, but the owner of that is admin because we have created the GUID using g plus s. Whatever file we create under admins now will be owned by admin group. This is the benefit of g plus s. So now our third question is completed. Let's navigate to fourth question. Configure a task planned to run echo hello command at 14:23 every day. And here is the solution for this. Cron tab -u Mary -e 2314 ** echo hello world. But Mary is not mentioned anywhere in the question. So this is used where a specific user is required. But we can use this cron tab -e 2314 ** echo hello world. And why we are using this? If we are going to use cron tab, there are 5 stars. First one represent minute, that is taken from here 23, it is 23. Second one represent hour, it is 14, we have taken 14. It is day of month, that is it could be 20, 21st, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, it could be day of month, right? So it should run every day. So we have mentioned star. Then month, which month? It could be from 1 to 12, right? Jan, Feb, March, whatever it could be, but it should run every day. So it is also star, means every day. Then day of week, whether Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, in this manner. It will be from 1 to 7. But as we want to run it every day, we have selected ** here. So if you want to execute it, let's try cron tab -e. And here we have to put the required things. Now I am insert mode 23 14 ** and then it should do what? It should do hello world. That's it. Now let's save it escape:\wq. Yeah. So just to verify which cron is there, we need to run cron tab -l. So yeah, this cron is there. It is successfully mentioned there. So it will run at the scheduled time. I hope you get that point. However, the representation is not up to the mark. The command is cron tab -e and then you have to mention this thing in the file that will open over there. But I hope you can understand if you are already preparing for this exam. Now let's navigate to fifth question. Find the files owned by Harry and copy it to the catalog /opt/dir. So this is the command for this /user Harry -type f -exec cp and this braces, then this directory, and this is also important, it is backward slash not forward slash, but make sure that this directory is already there. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning. And if you have any query and if you face any issues in any of the command, please feel free to comment. I will try my best to provide you the solution.